Diabetes is a lifelong condition that requires careful blood sugar management to prevent serious complications such as kidney failure, nerve damage, blindness, and heart disease. Many people with diabetes turn to supplements in the hope of finding a natural solution to help regulate their glucose levels. However, some of these supplements have been banned in certain countries due to safety concerns, misleading claims, or a lack of regulatory approval. Despite these bans, many diabetics continue to use them, sometimes without fully understanding the risks involved. Before we continue, I'd like to tell you about Diacelan, a powerful blend of 13 natural ingredients, each carefully selected for their proven ability to support healthy blood sugar levels, enhance insulin sensitivity, and promote overall wellness. You can read more on diacelan.com. The dietary supplement industry is largely unregulated in many countries, allowing companies to make bold claims about their products without strong scientific evidence. This makes it challenging for consumers to differentiate between effective, safe supplements and those that could potentially harm them. One of the primary reasons why diabetics turn to supplements, even those that have been banned, is frustration with conventional treatments. Many prescription diabetes medications come with unwanted side effects such as nausea, weight gain, and digestive discomfort. Additionally, some diabetics struggle with the cost of medication, leading them to seek cheaper, over-the-counter alternatives. This has created a massive market for supplements that claim to lower blood sugar naturally. However, the effectiveness of these products is often questionable, and in some cases, they may be dangerous. Some supplements contain hidden pharmaceutical ingredients that can cause unexpected reactions, while others interact negatively with prescription diabetes medications, increasing the risk of severe health issues. One of the most controversial diabetes supplements is BGR34, an Ayurvedic herbal formulation developed in India. The manufacturers claim that BGR34 helps regulate blood sugar levels naturally using a blend of medicinal herbs. It was developed by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, a prestigious Indian research institution, which gives it an appearance of scientific credibility. The supplement is widely used in India and has gained popularity among diabetics looking for an alternative to conventional medications. However, despite its widespread use, BGR34 has not been approved by regulatory authorities in many countries due to concerns about its safety and efficacy. One of the biggest issues is the lack of large-scale, peer-reviewed clinical trials proving its effectiveness. While some small studies suggest that it may help lower blood sugar, the results are not strong enough to be considered conclusive. Without rigorous clinical testing, it is impossible to determine the supplement's long-term effects or its interactions with other medications. Additionally, the Indian Advertising Standards Council has cracked down on misleading claims made about BGR34. Advertisements that claim the supplement can cure diabetes have been banned under the Drugs and Magic Remedies Act, which prohibits false medical claims. The concern is that diabetics who rely on BGR34 might delay or avoid taking proven medications, leading to poor blood sugar control and an increased risk of complications. Despite these concerns, the supplement remains popular, particularly among those who distrust pharmaceutical drugs or prefer traditional medicine. Another supplement that has gained attention is Berberine, often marketed as a natural alternative to diabetes drugs like metformin and Ozempic. Berberine is a compound found in certain plants, including golden seal, barberry, and tree turmeric, and has been used in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Some studies suggest that berberine can help lower blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and promote weight loss. Because of these potential benefits, it has been nicknamed nature's Ozempic and is widely used by diabetics looking for natural alternatives to prescription drugs. However, berberine is not regulated as a diabetes treatment and has not been approved by major health authorities like the FDA or European Medicines Agency. One major concern is that berberine can interact with other medications, including insulin and blood sugar-lowering drugs, increasing the risk of severe hypoglycemia, dangerously low blood sugar levels. Additionally, berberine affects liver enzymes, which means it can interfere with how the body processes other drugs. This can make some medications more toxic or less effective. leading to unpredictable health effects. Another issue with berberine is its potential impact on the gut microbiome. Some studies suggest that it alters gut bacteria, which may contribute to its blood sugar lowering effects. However, changes in gut bacteria can also have negative side effects, including digestive issues, bloating, and diarrhea. Pregnant and breastfeeding women are advised to avoid berberine completely, as it has been shown to cross the placenta and potentially harm fetal development. Despite these risks, many diabetics continue to use berberine, often without medical supervision. Bitter melon, Momordica carantia, is a fruit commonly used in Asian and African traditional medicine for its blood sugar lowering properties. It contains active compounds such as charantan, vicine, and polypeptide P, which are believed to mimic insulin and help reduce glucose levels in the blood. Many diabetics take bitter melon in the form of capsules, extracts, or teas, hoping to naturally control their condition. While some research suggests that bitter melon can help lower blood sugar, its effects are highly inconsistent. The amount of active compounds can vary significantly depending on how the fruit is prepared, making it difficult to control the dosage. In some cases, bitter melon has been found to enhance the effects of diabetes medications, leading to hypoglycemia, which can cause dizziness, confusion, and even seizures. In addition, bitter melon contains lectins, which can cause digestive issues such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Some countries have issued warnings about its use, particularly in people who take insulin or sulfonylurea drugs, as the combination can excessively lower blood sugar levels. Furthermore, bitter melon has been linked to miscarriages in pregnant women, as some of its compounds may trigger uterine contractions. Despite these concerns, bitter melon remains a popular supplement among diabetics, especially those seeking herbal treatments. Alpha lipoic acid, ALA, is an antioxidant that has been studied for its potential to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce nerve damage, neuropathy, in diabetics. Some research suggests that ALA can help lower blood sugar levels and reduce oxidative stress, which is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes-related complications. However, high doses of ALA can lead to side effects such as nausea, stomach pain, and low blood sugar. Additionally, ALA interacts with thyroid medications, which can lead to thyroid imbalances in people with thyroid disorders. Some countries have issued warnings about ALA, particularly in patients taking multiple medications, as it can alter the effectiveness of drugs and lead to unpredictable side effects. Many diabetics turn to vitamin and mineral supplements to support their overall health, improve insulin function, and manage complications related to the disease. While some of these nutrients are essential for maintaining normal body functions, excessive intake or improper use can lead to serious health risks. Some vitamins and minerals may interact with diabetes medications, while others can cause unwanted side effects when taken in high doses. Today, we will discuss some of the most commonly used vitamins and minerals for diabetes, their potential benefits, and the risks associated with their use. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a key role in glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that people with type 2 diabetes often have low magnesium levels, which can contribute to insulin resistance and poor blood sugar control. Magnesium helps in the activation of insulin receptors, allowing the hormone to effectively transport glucose into the cells. Additionally, it plays a role in reducing inflammation and supporting heart health, which is particularly important for diabetics who are at a higher risk of cardiovascular disease. However, while magnesium is beneficial, taking too much can lead to serious health issues. High doses of magnesium supplements can cause diarrhea, nausea, and stomach cramps. In severe cases, excessive magnesium intake can lead to irregular heartbeat, low blood pressure, and muscle weakness. This condition, known as hypermagnesemia, is particularly dangerous for individuals with kidney disease, as their bodies may struggle to eliminate excess magnesium. Since many diabetics also suffer from kidney complications, taking magnesium supplements without medical supervision can be risky. Zinc is a trace mineral that plays an important role in insulin synthesis, storage, and release. It also has antioxidant properties that help reduce inflammation and support immune function, which is crucial for diabetics who are more prone to infections and slow wound healing. Some studies suggest that zinc supplementation can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making it a popular choice among diabetics looking for natural ways to manage their condition. Despite these benefits, taking too much zinc can cause serious health problems. Excessive zinc intake can lead to nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach cramps. More importantly, high doses of zinc can interfere with the absorption of other essential minerals, such as copper and iron, leading to deficiencies that can weaken the immune system and cause anemia. Another major concern is zinc's interaction with diabetes medications. Some studies suggest that high doses of zinc may enhance the effects of insulin, increasing the risk of hypoglycemia. Additionally, zinc supplements may interfere with certain antibiotics and diuretics, reducing their effectiveness. This makes it important for diabetics to take zinc in controlled amounts and under medical supervision. The best way to obtain zinc is through a balanced diet, including foods such as nuts, seeds, meat, and seafood. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve function, red blood cell production, and DNA synthesis. Many diabetics, particularly those taking metformin, are at risk of developing a B12 deficiency because this medication can interfere with B12 absorption in the intestines. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to nerve damage, neuropathy, causing symptoms such as numbness, tingling, and pain in the hands and feet. This is especially concerning for diabetics who are already prone to nerve-related complications. Due to the risk of deficiency, some diabetics take B12 supplements to maintain proper nerve function and prevent complications. However, taking excessive amounts of B12 can lead to potential side effects. High doses of vitamin B12 have been linked to acne breakouts, digestive issues, and skin rashes. Some studies also suggest that extremely high levels of B12 may increase the risk of certain cancers, though more research is needed to confirm this. Vitamin B12 is generally considered safe when taken in recommended amounts, but it is always best to get it from food sources such as fish, eggs, dairy, and fortified cereals. If a diabetic is at risk of a B12 deficiency, a doctor may recommend B12 injections or supplements in appropriate doses to avoid complications. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption, bone health, and immune function. It also plays a role in insulin sensitivity, and research suggests that low vitamin D levels are linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Some studies indicate that vitamin D supplementation may help improve blood sugar control and reduce inflammation in diabetics. Since vitamin D deficiency is common, particularly in people who don't get enough sun exposure, many diabetics take supplements to maintain adequate levels. However, excessive vitamin D intake can be dangerous. High doses of vitamin D can lead to a condition called hypercalcemia, which means too much calcium builds up in the blood. This can cause kidney stones, nausea, weakness, confusion, and even heart problems. Since diabetics are already at risk of kidney complications, taking too much vitamin D can worsen their condition. Vitamin D supplements should be taken in moderate amounts, ideally based on blood test results. The best natural sources of vitamin D include sunlight exposure, fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products. While some diabetes supplements promise natural benefits, their bans in certain countries highlight serious safety and effectiveness concerns. Misleading claims, lack of regulation, and potential health risks make them a risky alternative to proven medical treatments. Diabetics should prioritize doctor-approved therapies, proper nutrition, and lifestyle changes to manage their condition safely. Always consult a healthcare professional before using any supplement to avoid harmful side effects or dangerous drug interactions.